In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use the Google Photos app step by step. First, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Google Photos. Now, download it. After you do that, you can launch it. Before exploring the app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner to enable backup, which automatically uploads every photo you take to your Google Photos cloud storage. If you see Setup Backup, tap it, toggle backup on, choose the Google account you want to use, and then select your backup quality. You can save between Storage Saver, which compresses your photos for unlimited storage, or Original Quality, which saves full resolution images but uses up your Google account storage. You can also choose whether to backup using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once backup is enabled, return to home screen where you will see auto-generated reels at the top with memories from past years or themed collections like vacations or summertime. Below that is your main photo feed, where you can switch views between comfortable size, day or month layout to browse your pictures more easily. When tapping a photo, you can view its live motion, pause it, share it with contacts, or edit it using Google's built-in tools including filters, cropping, and advanced adjustments, and save the edited version as a copy. You can also add photos to albums. Organize them however you want and delete images which will stay at your trash for 30 days before permanent removal. Tap and hold select multiple photos, allowing you to move or delete them in groups. At the top, tapping the plus icon lets you create new album, highlight videos, cinematic photos, or upload images not yet backed up. Google Photos can also auto-create albums using face detection, automatically grouping photos of people or pet you select. You can build collage, animations, and even use Gemini-powered search to find photos by description or voice. Once everything is set up, Google Photos quietly backups your entire photo library, making your images accessible from any device where you are signed in, whether it's your laptop, desktop, photo, or tablet. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.